Hi everyone, welcome to Gaming Explained. Today in this video I'm going to guide you through how you can hit your lucky shot on Carrom Disc Pool. So let's get started. First of all, open the Carrom Disc Pool app on your device. If you are directed to any ad, cancel it. And then you can find lucky shot option on the top mid of your screen. Tap on it. Now select play free option and then hit your target. And that's it. This is how you can hit your lucky shot on Carrom Disc Pool. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you never miss another gaming update.